Despite its bold exterior, the 2024 BMW 7 Series continues to embody the core attributes that have defined it for generations, combining robust power, a focus on comfort, and a cabin brimming with luxurious features. Available with a turbocharged inline-six, a plug-in hybrid system, or a twin-turbo V8, the 7 Series consistently delivers a serene ride and a whisper-quiet interior, making it ideal for extended journeys. While it's designed for comfort, the 7 Series doesn't shy away from fun, offering a touch of agility thanks to its rear-wheel steering system. Subscribe for daily videos. However, many assert that the real gem of the 7 Series isn't found behind the wheel but in the passenger seats, especially when the car is employed for chauffeur duties. Passengers are treated to an array of technological luxuries, including the option of a 31.3-inch rear entertainment display that descends from the ceiling, offering access to streaming services for an immersive experience. In 2024, the 7 Series lineup welcomes the plug-in hybrid 750e, boasting a turbocharged 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine supplemented by an electric motor to produce a robust 483 horsepower. It's estimated to cover over 35 miles solely on electric power. Furthermore, the 740i model is now available with all-wheel drive, and the infotainment system has been upgraded to iDrive 8.5. The 740i, with its refined inline-six, is expected to satisfy most buyers. However, those seeking more vigor might opt for the 760i xDrive with its twin-turbo V8. Those planning to be chauffeured might find the executive lounge package and the 31.3-inch theater screen rear seat entertainment system particularly appealing. On the road, the 7 Series balances agility and comfort, courtesy of its air suspension, rear-wheel steering, and adaptive dampers. The 760i xDrive, with its potent V8 and standard all-wheel drive, delivers swift acceleration, while the plug-in hybrid 750e offers a compelling blend of power and efficiency. The 7 Series isn't just about luxury and performance, it's also technologically advanced. The iDrive 8.5 system provides crisp, responsive displays, and the optional theater screen offers a vast, immersive viewing experience for rear passengers. Safety and driver assistance features are comprehensive, including automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and an available semi-autonomous driving mode. The 7 Series also offers an attractive maintenance package, setting it apart from some of its competitors. In summary, the 2024 BMW 7 Series continues to set a high standard for full-size luxury cars, offering a blend of performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, all wrapped in a package that's as indulgent for passengers as it is satisfying for drivers.